Today I show you how I built a gaming station for the classic arcade game Snake. The components that I used were this joystick shield for the Arduino Uno and a LED matrix with 256 addressable LEDs. Here you can see how I built the monitor out of an old box. The matrix needs to be connected to ground, 5 volt and pin 11 of the Arduino. I will link the code for this project in the description. Now here you can see my first try to display a snake on the matrix. It didn't really work the first time because, as you can see here, the state of the old LEDs are not being deleted. So I made a few adjustments to the code to delete these old pixels. Okay, this worked quite well. So after that I made another adjustment to the code. I added 5 random green LED points to the matrix and made them disappear after contact with the snake.